In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android phone keeps restarting on boot logo. So Android phones have been hitting booting loops or random restarts due to issues on Android 16 QPR3 and security patches as well. So if your phone is stuck on the logo screen, a standard restart isn't enough to clear the hardware cache. So what you want to do is hold the power and volume up buttons simultaneously, then keep holding for at least 45 seconds. The phone's going to vibrate and reboot. Just continue holding until you see the manufacturer logo for a second time. This is going to force a deep reset of the system's DNS and hardware handshake. Now, if the phone restarts only after you unlock it, a third-party app is likely crashing the system. So hold the power button until the power menu appears, then long press the restart or power off option on the screen, then tap OK to reboot into safe mode. If the restarting stops, uninstall your most recently updated apps, especially custom launchers or system cleaners, and then restart normally to exit safe mode. After that, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.